Hey guys, good morning. I haven't been running recently because I don't have a pair of earphones. I used to own a pair of AirPods, but I misplaced them. By the time I found them after 3 months, they're no longer working. I used to have those Beats Solo Buds also, but I left the shell during a grab ride, and I tried buying those replacement MagSafes on Lazada, but they're also not working properly. So I'm left with the option of getting a new pair. So help me unbox this Beats Solo Buds, which was launched by Jennie from Blackpink. And this is the much smaller version. It looks like a capsule. I think it's see-through. Let's check. So there you go, guys. It's much tinier. It's translucent, and the charging slot is on the side and not on the bottom. So it's really translucent, and you have the logo here. And let's take a look at the, oh, I can hear the sound. So here we go, guys. Let's check the quality of the sound. I'm sure it's really good because it's by Beats. Thank you for watching. Mwah.